Perfect. 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 Perfect.
All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Where is my face at? Where is my face? Oh, I was recording some videos earlier. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Bingo, bango. Bingo, bango. What's up, guys? What's up? Man, we're doing some videos today, and you're going to love it. There's a video that's coming out at around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in about 2 hours from now, there's going to be a video on YouTube. So definitely check it out. And of course, always, make a comment, do the like, all that fun stuff. You're going to like it. You're going to like it. It spreads the truth. Spreads the truth. All right. So hopefully I don't look too orange. This is a new setting I'm doing on the camera to where it doesn't make all washed out. But just want to thank you guys for being here. And let's see what we got. C3 says we need a deep dive on Lambo update on Lambo guy. So far I haven't heard nothing. I haven't heard anything. Word on the street is MIA. So even from us in town, MIA. And of course, I know people from the convenience store. I know people that go to the convenience store. This place is really small. And nothing. So I don't know if he's still here or if he packed up his bags and went. No idea. I don't know if he's selling his house or renting it or anything. But let's see. Which Lambo guy? XRP Moon Boys. Let's see. Oh, nice shirt. Oh, thank you, brother. Appreciate you. All right, guys. So of course, just like everything else, none of this is scripted. So we go over Bitcoin. After that, if you want, we can go over the market. It is the weekend though, so we might not see anything too fancy. Then after that, we go over your charts. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship, and depending on the engagement, depending on the questions, depending on the charts you want me to look at, depends if we go for an hour or if we go for 15 minutes. I have a lot of work to do, but I stop everything so that I can give you a one free dedicated hour to mentorship. If you have questions about indicators, questions about patterns, questions about whatever, let me know, and I would definitely help you out. I give all my resources for free. Everything I do is for free, as far as when it comes to teaching you how to do what I do. Now, of course, we do have a group, so definitely check it out. It is in the pinned, well, I haven't pinned it yet, but I'm about to pin that. It is in the messages right now, and then I'll be pinning it in just a moment. But it's also in the description. In the description, you can join the free Telegram group. And in that Telegram group, we go over everything. If you have charts you want me to look at, even in there, say we're after this is closed already and we're done with this, send me a message in the Telegram group. Ask me questions in there. It's your free mentor. Like literally, it's free mentorship. There was some questions in reference to if they should get out of BTC and Ethereum. They were doing both of those as a short. They said that they were using high leverage. And for me, I let you know everything. I let you know what I would do in that situation. Of course, everything on this channel and in the groups, everything, it's never financial advice. It's what I would do if I was in that situation. So in that particular situation, I would not be in the trade. I would close out the trade because there's two things. One, if you don't know how to trade, you shouldn't be trading. And people don't want to hear that. But we've all been there, guys. We have all been there. If you don't know how to trade, if you're asking, should I enter? Should I sell? What should I do? You should not trade, let alone with leverage. With leverage, man, you're just asking for it. You are literally asking for trouble. Because, for one, if you're just doing regular spot and you don't know how to trade, you're asking for trouble. But if you go leverage, you just magnifying that. Literally, if you're doing 10x, 20x, 50x, you just magnified it that many x's. Stop trading, guys. Save your money. It's much easier to make $100 with 1,000 versus making $100 with 40. Very easy. Do the math, guys. Stop trading. Follow the channel. Go to the group. Ask in the group. I will tell you all of the stuff that I know for free. No bamboozlement here. I don't bamboozle you. I don't trick you. I don't do any of that stuff. What I show you is how to trade successfully. And I do this for free. I do that here in the live streams. And then I also do that in the free group. My goal is to make you money. Simple. Simple. All right. So let's go ahead and pin the message. Let's see here. Who do we got? We got people. We got people. We got people. No, I haven't. Well, lately, the past couple of days. So there's a question. Have you not seen the Lambo guy driving around town? To be like honest, and I'm always honest, but I don't know why people say that because they're dishonest. I don't know. But I've been here, man. I haven't gone out. I've been wanting to go out. I've been wanting to just, celebrate all these wins we've been doing. I've been here, man. Like there's times where it's like, man, I want to go out, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I see charts that are ready. It's like, man, like I gotta wait. I gotta wait to see if it does this, this, and this, and then post it for the group so everybody can make money. And then, before you know it, it's already 2 o'clock. And it's like, man, it's like, okay. And at the same time, I'm doing research. As I'm waiting for certain things to go, I'm doing research. And have my ears to the crypto streets. Y'all know me. I have this right here. Don't want to show you my notes, but I have this right here. And I got 2 pins. I got a pin right here, got a pin right here, and a pin right here. So I'm watching these videos. I'm having them play in the background, having my ears to the crypto streets. When something comes up to where it's like, oh, that's important, I jot it down. And then, of course, I'll let y'all know about it, or I do further research on it, in addition to letting y'all know about it in the free group and the paid group. But I'm working, guys. I'm working 12, sometimes even 18 hours a day to make you money. Free, paid, doesn't matter. I just want to make you money. I might take tonight off, but it just depends on the charts, man. It really does. Hopefully I can. I've been wanting to take the last 3 nights off, but it's just been nonstop. And then I'll be having a video that I'm listening to and everything, whether it's the stocks, whether it's crypto, whether it's projects, just a bunch of different things. And then sometimes it's just like, I can't go. Like, this stuff is vital. Like, I need to let y'all know. So just to let you know, I have not gotten out of the house, in with the exception of my porch, driving around or anything like that, in several days, maybe even a week. I don't even know. Today's Saturday, maybe a week. I think. I don't even know, guys. But just to let you know, I'm working very, very hard. All right. Let's see here. Going down the list. Let's see here. All right, cool. So we have 3 charts. 4 charts, I think. I'm not sure. Zulu, are you referring to one of the coins? What was the coin? ACE. All right. So the first one up is we're going to do ACE. Again, this is your free hour mentorship. This can go for the free hour, the complete hour, or 20 minutes, depending on you. Once again, if you have questions, let me know. I love helping. I love giving my knowledge out. And, yep, you guessed it. No cost. No cost. Oh, there is a cost. Smash the like. Smash the like. if you could share it, I know it's an extra like 3 seconds, but if you could share the channel, that would also help the channel grow. And my goal is to help people, especially those that can't afford a VIP membership, whether it's mine or anybody else's. Like, I want people to make money. And this is the way out of the matrix of what we're so used to. We're programmed, go to work, you know, make a living. Then after that, you know, try to keep up with the Joneses. I don't. I like doing what I do. You know, prior to the group, I used to sleep when I was tired and wake up when I was done sleeping. Now it's like, oh man, I can't go to sleep. I got to do more work. I got to make people money. So, and that's for everybody, the free and the VIP. All right, moving on. Let's look at ACE. All right, so let's go ahead and come over here and let's go to the layout of YouTube. That way you have the videos on YouTube. Now, this was posted in the group and they were asking about Doge 20. And they asked, how did it look? This isn't the free portion. And I saw this, I was like, ooh, no. I said, if you're in it, there's two different thought process. And I always give you more than one thought process. I said, if you're in it and you have a lot of money in it, if you can stomach it, hold it, see what happens, and then you can sell because of the gas fees. If you are in it and don't have a lot of money in it, but still the gas fees outweigh your, you know, profits or losses, then I just leave it in there. You know, that's what I do. All right, let's go to ACE. Let's do some ACE. YouTube rapid fire. And it's going to be towards the bottom. ACE, we're looking at this for past few days. Same scenario. So this, I mean, you just have to, like, even though you're seeing this, oh, look, it's pumping. This is nothing, man. This is nothing. It needs to cross this level. Until it crosses this level, wait. Set your alert right there. And, you know, it could do this. And it comes down. And then, hey, Joe, look at the chart. Well, now you could either wait for this level, which we've already established, because this is going to be doing a higher low, or if it comes down here, well, now you have this level that it needs to break. So the thing with this, trading is very simple. It's just, we have overcomplicated this with all the indicators, with all the just junk on the screen. We have done a mental block on how to trade, but I'm showing you right here. Resistance. What does it have to do? Break resistance. On what time frame? Depending on the market cap, depending on the movement, depending if there's a lot of hype, depending on a bunch of stuff. But normally, right now, 4-hour time frame. The candle must close above the resistance. It can't be a little sliver of, you know, candle body close. No, it's got to be a nice candle body close. You know. Then after that, again, just depending on everything, but usually it's got to be a nice candle body close above this. Then, if you wanted to, you can wait 2-3 candles. Yep, that's 12 hours before you re-enter. And what you're doing is you're looking for the strength of the move. Did it go and is it finding support? If it's finding support, you could add there, or wait till it breaks the previous high. Same example here. Then you add to your entry. Then you wait till it breaks another level. That's a crazy line. But you wait till it breaks the other level. And you can do the same thing. You can either buy the breakout, which is higher risk, or it's always higher risk buying the breakout. And my definition of a breakout is the candle must close. Regardless of the time frame, the candle must close. But Joe, what if I'm trading on a 15-minute? Well, the lower the time frame, the more volatility, the more fake outs. The higher the time frame, the fewer volatility, the fewer fake outs. However, you miss out on potential gains. But you're also reducing the risk of getting your stop loss hit. So there's always a plus and a minus. And you have to weigh those out. Do you want to get in faster to make more money? But you have the possibility of, you know, the trade just failing and now you're holding the coin for, you know, way longer than you wanted to. If you're okay with that, then, you know, you can trade on a lower time frame. But if you want to secure your entries and reduce your risk, then you go to a higher time frame. Let's say the 4 hours is too long for you. All right, that's the problem. What's the solution? go to a lower time frame. Maybe trade on the 2 hour or the 1 hour, or even lower. If you're getting too many fake outs, too many stop losses, getting hit, waiting on too many coins because of all the fake outs, well then that's the problem. Solution, go to a higher time frame. I make trading in general, very simple, very simple. So, let you know that. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What else do we have? We have some coins. Here we go. We got Gala in the house. All right, so Gala. Let's look at Gala. So that is GALA USDT. And did you put a exchange? So we'll just use Binance. Perfect example. Right here, we are looking at this level. The same level we were just talking about. We're looking at that level. So right now we're in the 4 hour time frame. But Joe, you always doing the 1 hour or the daily. Yeah. But all these candles also represent support resistance levels. So let's start off with the daily. Well, let's just look at this. What we can do is we can do a fib retracement so we can get larger targets, the macro, the bigger picture. Make sure the magnitude is on, always magnitude on. Fib retracement, go from the bottom to the top. This does include wicks. And the reason I go on the daily is because you can see the bigger picture. You don't see all these ups and downs. Where do I draw it from? Here it's very clear. It went sideways and then it went up. Here we go. So now we're looking at that. It's actually crossed the 382, which is our buy zone, our buy area. We'd love for it to go into the golden pocket. One thing, guys, I mention this often. For the live streams and also any videos that I do in the VIP and also the free portion of the Telegram group, have a notepad. Write this stuff down. I just gave you minimum 8 to 10 gem picks. Did you catch them? If you didn't, rewatch this video, and every thing that I mention, it's going to make you money. It will make you money. Write this stuff down. In times when it's slow, times where there's too much volatility, times where you don't want to enter a trade, you don't have to be in a trade all the time. Review your notes. This will make you money. I guarantee it, guys. I guarantee it. All right. So we like to see the price action come to the golden pocket. And when it does, we enter once it breaks the golden pocket, and especially if it breaks the 382. This is showing a lot of strength. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, let's get rid of this. Let's go ahead and reduce this. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see more price action. What are we looking for on this price action? We're looking for the strength of the move. We're looking for momentum. If you want, you can throw on your moving averages. Okay, everything's on. And you can see right now that the white is the 9 SMA, the red is the 50 SMA, and the yellow is the 200 SMA. Right now, price action is above the 9 SMA on the 4 hour time frame. What does that tell us? Momentum, strength. And it's above the 50 SMA, and it looks like the 9 is crossing above the 50 pretty soon. What does that tell us? That tells us, again, the moving averages, they are the average of the candle body closes. They are lagging indicators. They're an average. This is telling us that the momentum is shifting upwards. And now, hopefully, in the next maybe day or two, we will see the 9 moving average above the 50, which is showing us the strength of the move. It's showing us the momentum. You want these moving averages in sequential order. So what that means is you want the 9 above the 50 above the 200. That's what you want. That's going to visually show you the strength of the price action. Okay. Gave you a bunch of alpha right there, guys. A bunch of alpha. All right. We're into this trade right now. Okay. Now let's look at this. Let me hide the moving averages. I don't like a lot of noise on my chart. Look at the moving average. We can see that it's right here. So let's go ahead and do our level. So we'll do that right there. Now, what I would do, since, man, this looks really good. Ian, you know, This one looks really good. So of course we have a low, we have a higher low, we have it to where it went to the golden pocket. All these are like bullish scenarios. Let's see here. I don't see any divergence, bearish divergence, which is good. For me personally, you could wait a little bit more. You could either go off of this level or you can go off of the blue level. For me personally, I would enter the trade just knowing that I am going to have a lower entry right here. Of course, blue are my entries. Yellow are my targets and stop loss. Whites are my levels. So in case you didn't know that, make sure to write that down. Let's see, what is the price range from where we would enter to this? A good 11%. So this is good. This is really good. Now, me personally, I would have my stop loss underneath if I did a stop loss. Again, we're at the very beginning of this bull market. So what you could do, several different ways of trading. What you could do is you could enter this trade, have a lower entry as well, no stop loss, wait for about a day or two, and if it dumps 25, 30%, just add to your entry. And then wait a few more days. Now you're in profit, 15, 20%. Now you can put your stop loss to where you're plus 3% or plus 5%. Give yourself some breathing room. And then now, no matter what happens, you're not at a loss. That right there is a golden strategy. And there are some people in the free group and the paid group that have shared with me that strategy. I was like, man, that's what I do all the time. Well, not all the time, but majority of the time is that right there. And they're telling me. So that's showing you that people are already using this strategy. And this is the way to go, especially in the beginning of the bull market, especially. So for me personally, I'd enter now. Let's go ahead and do this one. So the first coin that is done, we always spend a little bit more time on it. And then after that, the other ones are usually rapid fires. So I would enter right now 50%. So 50% entry at current price. And then, of course, I do another 50% entry right here if you wanted a stop loss. And of course, I'm always doing this underneath the candle wicks. Now, once again, with me, I show you everything. I show you why I'm doing what I'm doing. Everywhere on this chart is support resistance, as I mentioned earlier. Candle bodies, if the price action's up and if the price action's down here and it's going up, candle bodies are areas of resistance. Candle wicks are areas of resistance. Throughout the entire chart, there's nothing but support and resistance. Same thing as it's coming down. So what I want to do is I want to go underneath the candle body support and also the candle wick support. Because if the price does come down, hopefully it can bounce off of the candle body support or the candle wick support. And my stop loss is lower than that. So this is where my stop loss would be. Let's go ahead and do this for a stop loss, and we got that right on the money. Well, what about a target? A target. All right, let's do some targets. Let's say we enter right here. Our first target, if you wanted to, you could do a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, I get a lot of slack for this. Joe, why are you doing a 1-to-1 ratio? This is not my only target. This is not my only target. This is my first target. I'm taking a portion right here. My larger target is going to be higher. Okay, moving on. So let's go to our next target. Our next target would be right around here. So we'll just do 2 targets for this. And this would be our first one. That's our target. And then this one would be our second one. Right on the money. And yes. A bingo and a bango. A bingo and a bango. If you're enjoying this, guys, if you enjoy the free alpha that I give you every single day, make sure to smash the like if you haven't already. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Make sure that notification bell's on. We go live every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And join the free group. I'm telling you guys, it's going to change your life. It really will. And on top of that, I have something for you. I have something for you in just a little bit, though. In a little bit. So this one, I like it. I like this chart a lot. And matter of fact, let's go ahead and add this to the watch list here. And it's in the watch list now. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's go ahead and just make it a little bit more fancy. You know me, I like fancy. Let's go ahead and write this as a target. Nice and big, okay. And we'll put that right there. And then we'll do control in that one. And then for this, let's go ahead and do our stop loss, which will be right here. And I do like showing where I got the information from. So let's go ahead and come over here, click and drag this way. I'm gonna do it like that. Make it look fancy, make it look fancy, make it look fancy. So now what I'm also gonna do is we're gonna go a step above. So this is Gala. So a step and above, I don't know why I did that. Here we go, Gala. So we're gonna do Gala. And we're gonna go here. We're gonna do this over here. And let's make this fancy. Let's go ahead and show what the market cap is. And let's also show from the all-time high, 92. Look at you, man. OG status. Not disappointing. Not disappointing. Man, Ian, you are a beast. Was I even looking at this one? Nope, sure wasn't. Sure wasn't. Let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay. And just a moment, I'm making it look fancy. Let's do, which one should we pick? Let's do NFTs. Play to earn. We'll do both of them. We'll do that. We will do metaverse. Okay. So let's copy this. Let's come over here and paste this, a bad boy over here. Make it look fancy, guys. This is what sets you apart from everybody else that charts. Because here you can see that it's very easy to see what we're doing. It's very easy to see what we're doing. We have the market cap, we have the all-time high, we have this. A very well thought out process. You know, we are going to do 50% entry at the current price. We also have a lower bid here. Here's our stop loss. Everything is identified. This is what makes you this is what makes you an admin. Like if you're in groups, this will make you an admin. I'm telling you right now, guys. I'm telling you right now. So what we're also going to do is I like doing this. So let's go back to this. What I like doing is we're going to tweet about this. Twitter. And for Twitter, let's go ahead and copy their Go Gala Games. Copy. And let's go ahead and tweet. So this one, let's see here. Chart posted, or chart with live thought process TA during live stream, during daily live stream, during daily live stream, and then of course 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will address it to that person. We will also copy the link. That way people can see the link. Okay, it's copied now. Put that there. And then I also like doing the image. Sometimes it doesn't do the image. Do the image. And very good. So let's go ahead and post that. Now, let's go ahead and share this with the world. This is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to do this as well. So we're going to go to post. We're going to post idea. This is going to help you in the future. So this is Gala with higher low. And then here we're going to put on, let's see here. What do we see? Gala broke out of falling wedge. We'll call it what'd you call a falling wedge? It's actually a broadening wedge. Falling broadening wedge. But who cares? Like, broadening, did I spell that right? Wedge. And making a higher low. What else? Touched the golden pocket, and bounced upward. Now, all these are going to be notes for you, but I want you to post these. You're going to get followers because your ideas are really great. And I want you to go back to them. And I'm going to show you how to go back to them in just a moment. Let's see here. Targets and stop loss on chart. And it's raining again. Good Lord. On chart. Let's see here. And then that's it. And then, of course, always you have to put this, not financial advice. You have to put that because some people don't know that you are not a financial advisor. So this, continue, long, more ideas, tags. Do I have my tags here? Where are my tags? Oh, I don't have my tags. I should have my tags. Oh, it's thundering. Oh well, no tags. So tags, we'll just put Gala. Put Gala again. USDT. Put Gala again. Oops. It was thundering. I might have to let my cat in. He doesn't like thunder. Little one, he doesn't like thunder. This and oh yeah, and then I like to put my name, TradeIntuition. Okay, then publicize or make this a public idea. Then you wait a few moments, and then you will see that it will show up here. And then what you can do is you can go to your profile. Even though it's not doing it, you can go to your profile. Here you go. And then you can check on the trades if you've done, and then just hit the play button. So let's go to TradeIntuition. And I haven't been posting too much here, but I need to get back into that. I really do. I need to get back into that and make sure that y'all can see the blank screen that I'm seeing. And yes, you can. All right. So here you can see this one. I said it's not ready. It's not ready. So what you can do is you can click on this and you can hit the play button. But this was only a daily chart. But you put the play button. What happened? Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, it's coming down really hard, guys. Give me just a few moments, all right? Give me a few moments. Oh, I hear the thunder. 1 second. Turn up the music, Joe. Let's jam out.
Perfect.
3, 2, 1. And I'm back. But little one is gone. Little one's gone, and Becca, they're nowhere to be found. They're probably underneath the trailer, or probably underneath a car or something. So, but I love my cats. I am a cat lady, guys. I am a cat lady. My brother calls me that all the time. I don't care. I'll tell you to your face. Yeah, and what? And what? So, cat lady here. All right. So we can look at any coin, and see, this is the thing though. This is the thing. When you're doing this, you can go back to see how your stuff went, like Chainlink. When was this? March 2nd. You can click on this, and then you can play it and see if your thought process played out. Stopped out. We lost 6%. No biggie. But this is our level. So we would have entered again and got stopped out again. You will lose, guys. You will lose. That's part of the game. It's part of the game. And again, with me, I don't just show you my wins. Ooh-wee. The lights might go out, guys. The lights might go out. There's a lot of thunder right now. And I might need to put on my robe. My robe and do my hair in a thing to go get my cat. But just give you a heads up. And this is on TradingView. Let's see here. Let's see. Man, it's coming down hard right now, guys. Coming down really hard. All right. So that is that one. Let's see here. What was the other one? The other one was... Let's see, looking for it. Ooh. Getting nervous because I'm a little one. All right. So this one looks good. I like this one. So this one, we have it on rapid fire already. Okay, awesome. And let's go ahead and do sand USDT. We got about 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes. And this one, same thing on this one. We're waiting for it to break this resistance zone. But I would actually wait till have your alert right here. I would set your alert. For this one, it would need to do the alert and then hopefully maintain this level for you to enter. Man, it's coming down hard. Coming down super hard right now. All right. Moving on, moving on. Let's see here. Mohammed, what's up, brother? What is going on? Mohammed's in the house. What's up, man? Tia. Yeah, let's look at some Tia. Look at some Tia, USDT. Let's do some Binance. Binance, Tia, not good. Not right now. We got to wait. We got to wait on Tia. Again, we got to wait for it to break this level of resistance. Now, once again, you may be saying, Joe, like you're on a 4-hour. Why aren't you on the daily? Well, if you go to the daily, you can see it's the same thing. You know, the wicks are candle bodies on lower time frames. And if you want to, you can go a little bit lower just to be more exact. But, you know, right here, I can see that right away. All right, so what I would do is I would set an alert right here at 15.17. Now, how much are we missing out on potentially before we get to that level? 10%. I'm okay with not gaining an extra 10% so that I could ensure that when I do enter this trade, I'm reducing my risk and increasing my profits. So the price could do this. Let's say we entered now because it's a low and a higher low or potential higher low. This is what other people teach you, not here. I show you how to reduce your risk and increase your profits. Price could come up here, get rejected. Why? It's done it before. This is support, resistance, and these wicks too. So it could come up here, get rejected, come back down, creating a higher low, come up here, create, you know, this kind of formation to where it's looking bullish, but nobody knows what's going to happen. It could break down and continue down. Now you're stuck holding the coin or getting stopped out. Versus having your stop loss here, and then, I'm sorry, your alert here, and then getting alerted, seeing if the candles are closing above this level. If so, great. Now it's time to enter. Money. Money. So I hope you like that one. And let's go ahead and put this one also on our YouTube rapid fire. Let's see here. C3 says Alliance Block. Hopefully that's the name of the ticker. Alliance Alliance block. So it's going to be, we'll do MEXC Alliance block. This one looks good. This one looks good. We do have, and the reason, why am I saying that? I just said it didn't look good. It was underneath the resistance on the other one. Well, if we look at this, we can see that here was a pivot, an area where the price action changed direction. It went up, it stopped, it came down. What did it do? It broke out of that. It tried to do a retest and it fell, but then it did another breakout right now. 20 more minutes, 19 more minutes. And as long as the candle closes above this, which I'm pretty sure it will, really good opportunity to enter the trade. But Joe, there's a lot of long wicks. Don't you follow the long wick reversal theory? Well, back test it. Not just on one, but on several. This is just saying that there was selling pressure. These candles, they tell you a story. Buys and sells. Here, this is just saying that there was more sellers than buyers, making the price come down, creating the wick. But now, it stopped, and it's coming up. Could the price continue coming down? Yep. And form a lower high? Yep. But then, Joe, wouldn't that just prove that this was a reversal signal? Nope. You will only know that after the fact. And all these mentors, all these YouTubers, all these people that want to take your money, they tell you stuff after the fact. Oh, look, long wick reversal. This is what I teach in my group, blah, blah, blah. And look, price came down. However, they will not say anything if the price does this. Oh, look, guys, you see we have a high and we have a higher high and we have a low and we have a higher low. This is this thing and you want to stay in this. You see how funny that is? They just change the narrative based off of what they see, not based off what's actually happening in the moment of the trade. That's what sets me apart from everybody else. In my opinion, I show you what I would have done at that moment, not after the fact. If you like that, guys, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, smash the like. I do have a free Telegram group and a paid one, but the free one, I want you in the free one, guys. I really do. And this is not me, my finger's not crooked. This is not me pointing at you. This is me pointing to the guy behind you. I want you and him in the free group. I really do. We go over a lot of stuff. I show you how to trade. There's in the free group, I don't lie to you. I don't trick you. I don't bamboozle you. I don't tell you, I can't give you that information because you're not in the paid. No, I give you everything, not only here in the live streams, but I also give you everything in the free portion of the Telegram. And there have been several comments that say, Joe, you give out more information, more knowledge, more alpha in the free group than I have in this other paid group that I'm in. There you go. There you go. All right, Control Z. Let's undo all this mumbo jumbo. Let's see here. Let's undo that one too. So would I enter right now in 16 minutes? I would be entering. I would be entering. I like this chart. Even though it has those long wicks, doesn't matter to me for the reasons I just explained. Now let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. What's going on here? What is going on here? It looks very bullish. Looks extremely bullish. Look at the price action. Was in accumulation for a bit, and then it came back down, went, shot straight up, broke out. This is a zone right here. I don't know if y'all can see this. This is a zone that it created. Top, bottom, broke through, came back in, top, bottom, broke through. And I mean, if it does come down, I would love to get it again down here at a much lower price before it continues going up. Do I think it'll do that? I mean, it could. Nobody knows. But this is what I show you guys. I show you how to zoom out. I show you how to have a thought process when it comes to trading. I show you how to think for yourself. That way, my goal is to create warriors. I want you, just like the OG in the house right now, Ian. Ian gave us Gala. Gala's perfect. Gala is going to make us money. I won't guarantee it, but we have a very, very high likelihood it's going to make us money. Like Ian is on it. Ian's on it. And that's my goal. I want to you bring up warriors. So you tell me, hey, Joe, look at this one. Oh, man, it's great. So here, same thing with this one. Who did this one? Let's see here. C-Tree. Hats off to you, C-Tree. Oh, I could just look right there. C-Tree. Hats off to you, brother. This one's good. We just have to wait 14 minutes. Now, why do we have to wait 14 minutes? Well, the candle could close underneath the resistance, and more than likely, because it closes underneath resistance, more than likely we have a high likelihood that it might do this. And then we start off at a loss. So our goal is to reduce your risk, increase your profits, blah, blah, blah. So I'd wait. But it looks good though. I like it. And not only that, but I would also have a lower entry right here. One thing I do is I look to the left. I always look to the left. And right now I'm showing you why I'm picking this area. I'm picking this area because I actually pick right here. Because this is right where there was resistance before, and now it'll come down as support. So this would be my area. Same thing, you know, I do 50% entry. 50% entry right here. And then also 50% entry when the candle closes. Very important, candle must close. So that is that one. I like that one a lot. Hats off to you, man. Hats off to you. And put that in our little list of rapid fires. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see. Pravi says, hey, welcome to the channel, Pravi. Pravi says, every channel is bullish, so they are gonna dump this hard. Yeah. So just to let you know, like most of these YouTubers, most of these influencers, they've already been buying this coin long time ago. And they just pump to their audience. Me, I take the trades with you. If I see something, I'm in it. Or if I'm in it, I let you know. You know, give you a heads up. But good catch on that. See here, what's happening on April 8th? No idea. Is it your birthday? No idea. Let's see here. Okay, so let's do this one. Cheek Peek. Cheek Peek wants PMPY USDT. It's gonna be rapid fire on MEXC. This one, it's almost ready. Almost ready. And he says it's long-term hold for him. So here, what we can see, let's put our magnet tool on. Let's come over here. We have our level right here. Needs to break above this level, which it should be doing probably in the next maybe candle or two. So in about 4 hours, 8 hours. So what I would do is I would have my alert set right here above this wick, because the wick serves as resistance. I would have my alert right here. And then the candle must close above this level of 0.033667, and for us to enter the trade. Let's see here, and that's what I would do. Let's do a target for Cheek Peek. Let's see here. What can we do? Can we do a 4 hour time frame? Okay, so we'll do a fib retrace, fib extension. And the reason we're doing a fib extension is because we have a low. I wouldn't count this one because it's a wick and it's just a scammy wick. But I would count these wicks, and then I would count this low to the prior. It looks like it's gonna do a next high. Right now it's still at the very early stages, so this may be kind of premature because it could come down, and then now, well, we don't have this as a pivot. Ooh, thunder and lightning. So we might lose power, guys. We might lose power. So for our target, let's do a target, guys. Let's do a target. If we were to enter, let's take this off. If we were to enter, thank you for smashing the hearts, floating hearts. If we can get everybody right now to smash the floating hearts. Hey, we got Alex O in the house. What's up, Alex O? If we can get everybody right now just to smash the hearts. And then Alex O, I would love for you to do the party because it was just recently your birthday. For you to do the party symbol. C Tree, I would love for you to do the hundreds. And 420, I would love for you to do the smiley faces. And let's see here, Ian, I would love for you to do the surprise face. Everybody else, I want to see hearts. Everybody else, I want to see hearts. We're going to do this for 1 minute, guys. For 1 minute. Let's go ahead and put on our 1 minute timer. We're going to do a 1 minute timer. And I want you to annihilate your mouse. So there we go. The 1 minute timer is on. And you have at it. Everybody, I want to see bunch of hundreds, bunch of smiley faces, a bunch of party, bunch of everything, guys. I want to see all of that right now. Let's go. Let's go. Hype it up. Hype it up. All right, so we did this one. Let's do our target now. For our target, let's just say we entered about right here. We didn't catch the bottom. Say we entered here. Our first target would be right at 26%. Of course, my yellows are always my targets and my stop loss. We'll do another target for you. Another target we can do right at 48%. This would be our targets. For our stop loss, man, it's coming down hard, guys. It's coming down super hard. I might lose power. We can do, right here would be nice. 13%. This might not be right on the money, but it's pretty darn close. This would be our stop loss. This would be our target. Let's see right here. Let's see. I'm not seeing any party favors. I'm not seeing any surprise faces. Let's see here. Oh, my timer already went up. Never mind. Let's go to target. Let's do another target. So I want everybody to vote. I want everybody to vote. Who won? Did the hearts win? If so, put down hearts. If the party favors won, put down party favor. If the surprise face or the smiley face won, put down that. I would really like to see that. So here, this is this information for this one. I do thank you guys so much for that. Right now, we are doing rapid fire. We are doing rapid fire, guys. We are kicking these out. Let's see here. All right. Good stuff, good stuff. And of course, we do got Alex O Crypto in the house. Alex O Crypto, I would like to see you do a 1 in the chat. I would like to see you do a 1 in chat. Everybody who's right here, right now, I would like to see a 1 in the chat. I want to see who is in here. We did get Cheek Peek says DYOR NFA. Awesome, awesome. So I do want to give a shout out to everybody here. So definitely everybody who is in the chat right now, I want to see ones. I want to see ones in the chat. Let's get that going, guys. Let's get that going. So of course we got Mohammed. Thank you, brother, for being here. Greatly appreciate you for being here. Of course, we got Crypto 420 is here. Thank you so much. And this is what we do every single day, guys. Remember, at 5 o'clock, 5:15 to be exact, I have a video that I want everybody to watch. I have a video that I want everybody to watch at 5:15. This video could possibly change your future. I know I'm hyping it up. I'm hyping it up. But at 5:15, we got DCS Guy. Thank you, brother, for being here. DCS Guy, appreciate you guys for being here. You guys are great. I guess everybody else left. But it's all right, guys. This is the actual end of the show. This is the end of the show. But I want to thank you guys. Let's see. What time is it in the UK? What time is it in the UK? Right now, it's almost 4 o'clock in Georgia. Where are you from? I want to know what time it is where you're at, guys. I want to know what time it is your time. And then let me know where you're at, too. Is it 4 o'clock in Canada? Let me know. Is it whatever time at whatever time? Let me know. I want to know that, guys. Let's see here. Do we have people still in the stream? Yeah, we got a lot of people here. Don't be looky-loos, guys. Don't be looky-loos. I want to give you a shout-out. This is the shout-out portion of the stream. We gave a lot of alpha in today's stream. A couple really great charts. Really great charts. I'll be looking out for these on, let's see, Twitter and also TradingView. And make sure to join the free group. It is in the description. It's in the description, guys. In the description. So this is the time that, oh, let's do this. Okay, here you go. Look, I was working on this earlier, guys. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bingo bango. Bingo bango. This is story time, guys. Story time. This is my story time one. Man, I think this thing adds 10 pounds, or maybe that was my breakfast this morning, to the camera. The camera adds 10 pounds, or my breakfast. Don't know. I'm just saying, guys, join today. You will not be disappointed. Matter of fact, you'll be impressed. You'll be surprised. The link is in the description, so definitely do the link. Remember, guys, I want to make money with you, not because of you. Remember that. Like, let that sink in. Everybody else wants to use you for your money and then show you how to trade. I do just the opposite. I don't want to use you. I want to make money with you. I show you how. I do everything for free. in the VIP. No, I'm sorry, in the, well, and also in the VIP. I have all the information there. But in the free group and also in these live training sessions, I give you 1 hour of pure just mentorship for free, for free. Everything that I know, I give it to you. There's nothing, you would never hear me say, oh, well, I can't tell you how I find this and this because that's the VIP. I don't do that. I've yet to do that. So everything that I have, that I know, that I show to the VIP, I give to you here, and I give to you in the group. So just to let you know, guys, this is my new story time layout. And just remember, I want to make money with you, not because of you. And we're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. So, and you've never seen a group like this before, ever. I guarantee it. You don't believe me? Watch. Join. The link, of course, is in the description. I'm also doing the link in the chat right now, and also the link is in the pinned message. Definitely join. The very first one is for the Telegram. Send me a message. I will give you the link to that. And this way, it reduces the amount of scammers and bots. But there are always scammers, guys. I will never DM you first. Remember that. Nobody will ever DM you first. The people who do DM you first, they want to scam you. Let that sink in. Everybody wants to steal your money, take your money, everybody. Except for me, because I'm giving myself out for free. But just to let you, well, giving the knowledge I have for free. Got to make sure I word that right. But just to let you know, guys, you guys are the best. And on top of that, the awkwardness of the looking down. 3, 2, 1. Appreciate you guys. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. I'm here to help you succeed in this trading journey, which is very difficult. I want to make money with you. I want you to be very successful. I want you to be able to teach what I have taught you. That's when you know you got it down. It's when you can be able to teach. And this stuff that I teach is very simple. I break it down to the most simplistic form. There's not all these complicated terms or pattern memorization or, you know, names of the candle bodies, none of the counting, the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s, and none of that stuff. Support, resistance, trend lines. That's it. With that being said, I'll see you tomorrow on the live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In addition to that, make sure to join the free group, and I'll see you in there. Take care, guys. All right. Awkwardness. 3, 2, and 1. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Just to let you know, what time will I go live on Telegram? Today, I was not planning on doing so, but I can for the VIP, because right now I'm doing VIP charts. I'm getting all those set up. If you're not VIP, then more than likely, oh, no, it's on Tuesdays. Remind me, on Tuesdays, we will continue the free screen share on Tuesdays. So the free screen share will be on Tuesdays for everybody, and it'll be open to everybody. So make sure to, of course, be in the group. We will do that on Telegram for everybody. But if you are in the paid portion and you are requesting a live screen share, definitely, let me know in the VIP chat. Let me know, hey Joe, can you do a screen share? Because basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some of these charts. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me there. If you do have questions and you are not in the VIP, then you can post those in the free portion of the chat group and just ask me a question. And I will get to that question. And I'm very quick too when it comes to that. Unless I'm making a video for the VIP or in a screen share with the VIP or just making a video in general. But just to let you know, guys, I do thank you so much. And I want to tell you who's my favorite. We got DCS Guy, my favorite. And it is almost 4 o'clock in the Dominican Republic. We have C-Tree. C-Tree is my favorite. You already know that, guys. You already know that. Let's see here. Who else is here? We got, let's go from the very top. Let's see here. We do have Ian. Ian, my man. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for being here. This is an OG right here. This guy is really smart. Ian, you're my favorite. You know that. We got Zulu. Zulu is my favorite. And don't get jealous, guys. Don't get jealous. But Zulu is my favorite. Zulu is my favorite. We got C-Tree is my favorite. We got Constantine. Constantine is my favorite. You guys already know that. Thank you, Constantine, for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you, man, so much. Let's see, who else do we got in here? We got Mohammed. Mohammed, man, thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Hopefully, you know, we gained another subscriber. Hopefully you enjoy my content. And the way I mentor, like all this, I show you how I trade. I show you all my tips and tricks. I show you everything. I don't, right now, there's a group that just posted right now. We did token for 63% so far. Yeah, but how many other coins did you post? It gets me so mad, guys. It gets me so furious that these groups do this. Man, it gets me so furious. How many charts did they post that week? How many charts did they post that day? It gets me so mad, guys. And I got that video. That video's coming up. So make sure to watch that video that I have. It's at 5:15. And you're going to like it. We got Cheek Peek. Cheek Peek, you're my favorite. You are my favorite. I greatly appreciate you so much. And we got Alex O. Alex O came in real quick, said hi, and then he's going to be doing his thing. But we got Alex O, my favorite. Let's see here. We got 420. I'm not sure if I said that, but if I did, well, just to let you know, I'm reiterating it. You are my favorite. And I believe I got everybody. So once again, guys, I do thank you so much. You guys are the best. You are the reason I do what I do. I can do this by myself. I can make my money. And okay, I want to make you money. That's the thing. I want to make you money. So help me help you by sharing the content, by liking, by commenting. All the engagement you do really helps out the channel. And I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Joe, you have the longest outro of any YouTuber. Gosh darn it. All right, guys. Well, I do thank you so much. I appreciate you greatly. We'll talk to you soon. It is time for the music. Let's jam out for a few seconds, and then we go about our day. I got to go do some charts, guys. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, and before I forget, let's make this money.